Hello, and welcome this new Back to Nature YouTube channel. I am so excited that you are here. I was so happy when I think, oh, this is going to be the first video, and here we are. That's awesome. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Myriam Morales. I'm married and I have two wonderful kids. One is Sebastian. Sebastian is 13 years old, and my other son is Juan, and he is 6 years old. And in the last few years, I've been realized how important it is to growing in this personal way, like having more confidence in yourself, like looking for tools that help you to be a better person, because in order to become a better person, you will become a better wife, a better mom, a better businesswoman, a better daughter, and so on. So my purpose in this channel is sharing tools that has helped me to be a better version of myself, and I really hope that this tool helps you as well to be a better person. You know, we are together in this way of personal growth, and I would love to be with you and keep growing in this process. And guess what? I've been more than 20 years helping me and my family with natural and effective remedies, which has helped us in this physical and emotional and spiritual way. So I hope you find all these tools useful as well for you and your family, because you know, our family is the most important thing that we have. So I will love to be with you. I will love to start this community, and you know what? I will be there for you, and I will be there for helping you and serving you, because that will be my pleasure. So see you next time in the next video, and I hope you find it useful, and you can comment below and let me know what kind of subjects that you will like to learn and know, and I will be happy to help you. I'm going to share this video also in Spanish, because Spanish is my first language. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your time, and I will love to see you very soon. Bye bye.